Further to your right, the church St. Antonius of Nef. To your left, the church St. Paul of the Banks, built in 1908. Linkerhand ziet u de rots bij Jaar, 32 meter hoog. Op deze stenen, ongeveer 4 meter hoog, vindt u een bronzen plaat met de koninklijke kroon. In front of you, to the left, the Bayard Rock, 32 meters high. On the rock, at about 4 meters high, you will find a bronze plate topped with the royal crown. This plate commemorates the climb of His Majesty King Albert I in April 1933. The former palace of the Prince Bishops of Liège. Today the Dinan City Hall is built against the ancient St. Martin's Gate, dating 1637 and built on the ancient city walls. Voor u de Charles de Gaulle brug, de Collegiale en de citadel van Dinan, met rechts de Kabelbaan. De Collegiale is een prachtig oud-gotisch gebouw. Het wordt beschouwd als een van de mooiste gebouwen van de tweede helft van de 13e eeuw. In front of you, the bridge Charles de Gaulle, the Collegiale and the Dinan Fortress. And to its right, the cableway. The Collegiale is a magnificent Gothic building, regarded as one of the most beautiful buildings of the second half of the 13th century. To your right, the Addo Sax Quarter. He was a famous inventor of the saxophone, and he was born in Dinant in 1814.